Looking to upgrade your bathroom in Trenton, New Jersey? Our licensed remodeling pros are ready to bring your vision to life. Fast, clean, and stress-free. From shower and tub installs to vanity replacements and toilet upgrades, we deliver premium workmanship with every project, serving homeowners in Trenton and nearby neighborhoods. Looking for comfort and style? Our enhancements include heated flooring, modern lighting, custom tile work, and senior-friendly accessibility options, designed for elegance and ease. As a trusted remodeler in Trenton, we handle every step, from permits to perfection, with local expertise, quality materials, and full satisfaction guaranteed. Call 877-693-5731 today to book your consultation in Trenton or surrounding Mercer County. Your dream bathroom is just one call away.